Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we're delving deeper into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, March 13, 2024, and now we're providing you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 13, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate with a score of -2.39. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this specified period. We will be closely monitoring this evaluation to observe its development in the upcoming days. The stock is currently in a downward trend in the short term, suggesting a further decrease in value. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -10.59% change in the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -15.04% to -4.80%. In contrast, the 12-month trend indicates a 51.92% change over the next year, with a possible return between 38.85% and 91.98%. This could result in a price range of $60.03 to $82.99 after 12 months. Intel stock has been downgraded from a buy candidate to a sell candidate after Wednesday's trading session. The stock price dropped by 4.44% on Wednesday, going from $45.24 to $43.23. Throughout the day, it fluctuated between $43.20 and $44.98, marking a 4.12% range. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, showing a 2.95% increase in the last 2 weeks. The trading volume spiked by 22 million shares on the last day, indicating potential risks in the coming days. A total of 53 million shares were traded for around $2.29 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $51.28 and a low of $26.86. Currently, it sits 15.69%, $8.05, below the yearly high and 37.61%, $26.06, below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when it peaked at $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 16, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush gave Intel a underperform grade with a hold action. On Friday, February 16, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 29, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs gave Intel a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 26, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer gave Intel a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel a neutral grade with a initialize action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general neutral rating. They rate the PE ratio as neutral and price to book as neutral. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock an buy rating. Intel's current signals suggest a buy opportunity. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom on February 28, 2024, resulting in a 2.95% increase. The stock is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, reinforces this positive trend. However, there are also negative signals to consider, potentially impacting short-term developments. Sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages paint a more pessimistic picture for Intel. Resistance levels at $44.45 and $43.90 may hinder upward corrections, but a breakthrough could trigger buy signals. Notably, volume increased during the recent price decline, warranting closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 240 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel currently finds support from accumulated volume at $43.16. This level could present a buying opportunity as we anticipate an upward reaction when the support is tested. The stock is typically traded with good volume and experiences minor daily changes, resulting in low risk. In the last day, the stock moved $1.78, 4.12%, between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.51%. Let's start by looking at some essential fundamental data before discussing potential trading levels for Intel. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a key metric that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. While Intel's PE ratio is high, indicating a possible overvaluation, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such ratios. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $0.130 for this period, and these figures could have a significant impact on stock prices. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Intel. If Intel shows an upward trend, its first resistance level stands at $43.65. Wait for a breakout at this level before considering a new position. Existing shareholders might find this level suitable for swing trading. On the flip side, Intel's initial support level is at $43.16. A bounce from this level could present a favorable entry point for a potential rebound. The consensus rating for Intel from various analysts is neutral. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 29, 2024, Zinsner David bought 130,496 shares of performance stock units. On February 29, 2024, Zinsner David purchased 86,997 shares of restricted stock units. On February 29, 2024, Shell Christoph acquired 130,496 shares of performance stock units. On February 29, 2024, Shell Christoph procured 86,997 shares of restricted stock units. On February 29, 2024, Hodder Justin bought 115,688 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, the insider sentiment is positive, with a ratio of 64.755. In total, insiders have bought 2,061,286 shares and sold 452,010 shares in the last 100 transactions. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel currently shows negative signals and is in a downward trend, indicating weak performance in the near future. Our evaluation of this stock is negative, with a shift from a buy to a sell candidate due to technical weaknesses. Our analysis suggests that the current price of Intel is undervalued based on recent volatility and movements. Looking ahead to Thursday, March 14th, we anticipate Intel to open up at $0.573 and start trading at $43.80. It's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Before making any investment decisions, it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor. Please be cautious and do not solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the provided information, you are responsible for your own investment actions. Presenting our current perspective on the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors and a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.